Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable big expense alert notifications on Copilot account. So first we're going to go to the Copilot app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the dashboard found at the top left corner of the app. Then next under that, we're going to click on settings. So we're going to go to the notification section by scrolling downwards. As you can see, big expense alert is turned off, so we're going to turn it on. So we're going to get notified if we're going to make any big expenses, which might harm our money tracking and budgeting. So that's the importance of the setting. If you guys are trying to make a big expense, make sure you turn this alert on in case you need it for other times. So that's how you do it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.